March by Anna Dittmann in 40 by 30 cm round special treatment version 3. First we have electric diamonds that came free with this painting, and we've placed majority of it on this section over here. There's like a white heart in this painting, and we've just placed the electric diamonds over there. You can also place it in the background, or you can place it on this yellow flower, but for this suggestion we've placed it over here.
Wow.
Hi Zuli.
Wow.
Hi Zuli. So for version 1 of this painting, we start with sapphire diamonds that we have sprinkled on the dark blue areas right over here, as well as some over here. Version 2, we've got right here moonlight crystals that we have placed on the yellow flower, and a bit of that yellow kind of merges with her face. So in these rare instances, you can place it on her face. It's going to give off that same effect. It will not look strange. It will make it look like she's got some glitters on her face coming from the flower. So sprinkle it on those areas. And finally, for version 3, we've got ice crystals that we have placed on the top corner right over here, just to give it a bit more sparkle. What do you think, Zuli?
I'm working in the white. Oh.